Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, I'm just going to be addressing comments that seem to be repetitive on a couple of my videos, and previewing what's going to be coming up in some new videos once the weather gets a little bit better. It is April 9th and it snowed this morning and it's only about 35 degrees, so not great for detailing and bucket washing. So first off, you'll see we do have the Honeydew Snow Foam, which, as you can see, I've used a significant amount. That is a dedicated snow foam product. In one of the videos, I use the Chemical Guys Glossworks in comparing the Amazon MATCC foam cannon and the Chemical Guys Torque foam cannon. And I get a lot of comments about, I don't use enough soap, or the pressure washer isn't powerful enough, or I should adjust the dial here on the top of the lance. Well, I do say in the videos that the dial is turned to the most foam. There is another member on the YouTube detailing community that does multiple soap reviews, trying to find the best soap out there or combination of soaps. I'll put a link to his channel below. Very in-depth. He's using different kinds of car wash soaps, snow foams, or regular washes. Like right here I have the Blackfire Wet Diamond conditioning shampoo. That's just what you would figure as a premium car wash soap. It's not a snow foam. So I personally find it to be somewhat wasteful if I were to use 3 ounces of that in 20 ounces of water in the foam cannon, and then another ounce or 2 in a 5-gallon bucket. I mean, by that time you'd be spending a lot of money. That's why in the video that I have where I discuss the Mr. Pink, you can use it in a foam cannon, you can use it with an electric or a gas powered pressure washer. It really doesn't matter. Whatever is going to be useful for the user. If you feel that you don't want a gas powered pressure washer because of cost or because of noise. I live in a townhome, so I do want to be somewhat mindful of my neighbors. I'm able to leave the pressure washer inside the garage, close the door, and then I have a 50-foot hose. So this way, I'm kind of blocking some of the noise. Also, I have seen and gotten comments about updating or modifying the orifice that's on the inside of this fitting here. And that's what these are sitting on the paper. So I think they come from China. I actually found somebody in Florida selling them on eBay. Yeah, I paid a little bit more, but I was able to get them within 4 days instead of, anywhere between 2 and 4 weeks. So I haven't taken it out of the package yet, but you can see the hole on the inside of the orifice is 1.1 millimeter. It's smaller than what comes in these, I guess you'd say, from the factory. So I do plan on doing a separate video where I install this. You just take this off. This is a 5/8 wrench. It's not on there, with the grip of God. So, you'll be able to remove it. And then you just use a flathead screwdriver to remove the one that's already installed in here. And then you install this one the same way. You put your connector back, and then you're ready to go. I will use the dedicated Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash, and, to appease some of the people that might be viewing the videos, I'll use 4 ounces of the Honeydew Snow Foam with warm water in the Amazon foam cannon. I'll be using the Ryobi pressure washer that's in the crate there, 1600 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. My truck is coated, so that's another reason why, you know, the foam, even if it's super thick, might not, you know, cling for very long. The whole point is to be self-cleaning and hydrophobic. It might be different for other people. I do have the MATCC 37 Hydro Blue SiO2 coating, spray and rinse nano coating, high gloss finish. In a previous video, I did a minor paint correction and the application of the older formula MATCC 37 paint coating. So I need to get access to the vehicle, wash it, and then do the water test to check the hydrophobic properties after, I'd say, six to 7 months. I think I did that in September. So we did go through winter. The vehicle's garaged. It's well maintained. It's well cared for, you know, cleaned on a daily basis. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash the truck and then apply this, which is pretty much, once you wash and rinse, you go ahead and spray this on the vehicle while it's wet and rinse it immediately and then dry it. So it's supposed to add gloss and perhaps add or restore some of the hydrophobic properties. So that'll be another separate video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I appreciate all 200 and I think 71 current subscribers for checking out the videos and subscribing. For a quick update video for videos and products to come, some modifications to the foam cannon. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for upcoming detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.